Just posted a new video if you guys haven't checked out my work from home routine. Good morning. What is up? Howdy. If you guys are new to my channel, my name is Brooke. I'm looking extra tired. It is another day in quarantine. What day are we even on? In this vlog today, just because I feel like all the vlogs are kind of becoming one, which is fine. I know you guys like them and I like them too. There's something about like the routineness of, well, being home, you know, it's something about it. I really wanted to start, I was totally inspired by Danielle to organize my room. This is where I'm gonna be for a little bit, and this is my room at home. And normally when I come home, I'm only home for like a few days at a time, so it's never really a problem because I just kind of live out of my suitcase and it's all good. It's been a lot. It's been interesting with the mess over here, even on my desk and everything. So I really want to take some time to deep clean. I brought up some garbage bags of things that I want to throw out. I have a lot of like expired makeup products and things like that here that I like have just, I used to use, I don't use anymore, so I left them here. And then, you know, things expire. It's not good to use like skincare that's like 3 years old, that's already been opened. That's pretty gross. We're gonna do some cleaning today, just organizing. I know you guys like to see like organizing type videos. I finished some journaling. It's been really nice to do reading and writing to kind of center myself. I don't meditate or anything like that. I feel like I should. Everyone tells me that I should. I actually do have the Headspace app, so maybe I'll start that, but for me, journaling is so therapeutic, getting everything out on the page. I ordered a new book. I didn't start this yet, but this came in the mail. Really excited. I was watching Alicia Marie's vlog and she suggested this book. It's called Work Party and it's by the CEO and founder of Create Cultivate, which is a really cool company, and I follow them on Instagram and everything, so I'm excited to read this book. I have all my Rent the Runway things there on the back of the door, so that's what those things are. But I guess the first area that we're really gonna tackle is my suitcase. Like, I don't know, should I completely unpack at this point? I'm gonna like roll it up for a little bit and like put it to the side just so that I can start cleaning underneath it and things. I am totally aware that this is like a conflicting outfit because it is like these purpley colored leggings. They are great. They're from Lululemon. I think they're in Motion. I don't remember. But then I'm wearing a gray sweatshirt, but you know, it's too bad. I have you guys leveled up here and we're gonna start to clean. I have these empty bags. They're basically just like boxes from jewelry and stuff I've purchased, but they are empty, but I don't want to throw them away. So I'm gonna put them, this flips up. And this has so much storage in it. So this is what we did. I just went ahead and I left some stuff in there, just like clothes that I'm not going to be wearing, but I took out a bunch of sweatshirts and stuff that I'm going to put in my closet. So essentially I finally unpacked after a week and a half of being home. I have all my heat tools too that I'm going to put in my bathroom. Haven't used those yet either. This time has been really good for healing my skin and my hair and stuff because I haven't been doing any heat or whatever, so it's been actually really good for that. And then I have my suitcase there that I'm just gonna leave there. I feel like it's fine there. I guess I could put it in another room in my house or something, but it's fine there for now. And then these are delicates that need to be washed, like sports bras and dirty leggings and stuff like that. I'm just gonna start a bag. This guy here is a space heater. I like turn it off and turn it on every 5 seconds because I get overheated, but then I'm cold. That's the trash bag we have going now. Over here, I went in and organized some of this before, but I still do have some products that I haven't gone through all of these yet, but like need to decide what I'm keeping and what I'm not. But I cleared this out of my jewelry and stuff. And then I have like my more everyday jewelry out here. I cleared some stuff off my mirror, so it's just plain now, which is nice. And then I have a little dream catcher. This area I need to get to actually. This is from like Coachella so many years ago. It was like a brand sent it to me, so I don't know what to even do with that. Should I just throw it out? And then over here, I have like these eyelashes that I was sent that I think they're so pretty, so I don't know what to do with those. This is a gift certificate to get my hair done. And then this is a little like dish that I actually like the dish, but this, I feel like this, it's time to retire and it just takes up room. What to do for nails. Obviously mine are really overgrown. It's probably been a month now. They're not chipped or anything. It's just like wildly, sorry, shutting my door, wildly overgrown. Should I soak them off? But I feel like my nail underneath is going to be super weak. I don't really want to repaint them. What should I do? I don't know. These really get me going. I really get a lot of good energy from these, and I think I'm gonna go for a walk with my mom later. All right, I'm gonna switch to the phone because my mom and I are gonna go for a like hour-long walk or so. I feel good about my progress. I moved a few things. I need to still organize this bit. Actually, I'm gonna bring this downstairs because I want to drink some tea, and I have some that I brought home. And then things like this. I ordered some new slip hair ties. That's what I have in my hair right now. Pretty great. My outfit makes no sense. I don't like this color combo, but that's just, it is what it is. Do you guys know that TikTok? And I'm gonna put those clothes away when I get home. So we just ate some dinner and I wanted to show you guys, I got some stuff from Amazon. We are really careful with the packages now. I've been seeing everyone's comments and feedback, like you have to be careful with the outside of the packages. We open it in the front of the house. We don't bring it like in the back. And then I actually washed out the outside of these, but that was just because they were leaking. So that's why they're on the bed. Anyways, I got a 2-pack of just this body wash. This is Dr. Teal's Relax and Relief Eucalyptus Spearmint. I don't know. I think I heard them talking about it on Girls Gotta Eat. Maybe that's why I got it. I don't know. It smells amazing, and I'm gonna put it in my shower. My dad is so funny. It's not actually funny at all, but I think it's funny. These are gloves because we saw somewhere or like heard that you're supposed to be wearing gloves now when you go grocery shopping and everything. I haven't been to a store in a really long time actually, but I think tomorrow I have to go get the water. And you wear these, and then as soon as you come home, you wash them basically. And that's like a really good way to like prevent germs from spreading. I don't know. This could be a Brooke Miccio rumor, but that's why it's one of my friends told me, so my dad got us all gloves. And then over here, finally, I got a Hanes sweatsuit set. It's not a set, it's just 2 pieces individually. It's just a crew neck and then some jogger bottoms. I actually like how they're the jogger style. I got a large bottom and an XL top, if you guys are wondering. And I think I'm gonna try to bleach this. I have to look up a full like tutorial. I've been seeing it on TikTok, but I don't know, like, do I wet it first? I thought it would look cool, kind of bleach dyed. And I've been seeing that a lot on TikTok, like I said. So, and this together was, I believe it was like $10 and $10. So $20, and then you just use bleach that you probably have at home. So that's pretty inexpensive if you ask me. I like sit here in my bed. So I like make my bed so I don't get back in it, but then I sit there and it like does that. I'm gonna close my blinds. I'm now gonna find a YouTube video to watch and play Animal Crossing. It's like 7:30. Just chill for a little bit. I have to find something. And I'm gonna turn off that light so it's a little bit darker so I can see the screens better.
Hey, good morning, Kanye.
Shut the fuck up. Good morning. We're making a TikTok. Do we have brown sugar? Yum. So we're making a TikTok recipe. Mom, your tag is always out, dog. Oh my God. It was yesterday too. Oh my. You know that it could, everyone says it just rips.
Rip them out?
Yeah. Oh, it doesn't even take a lot.
You ripped the inside.
I didn't. I swear. Cookie wants to get right in there.
Cookie's like, yeah, see? I know.
Whoa. Do you want to add chocolate chips?
Sure.
What is that?
Brown sugar. Hopefully you have enough.
Oh.
You listen to what she said.
This is exciting.
It is?
I think so. Look at all the bananas we have to work with.
I know, but I have to mash and do some stuff, so.
The girl's TikTok, woman's TikTok is cooking with Shireen, and it's, is that how you say it?
Cherie.
Cherie.
And I work, and tell them the
yeah, the
crazy thing.
I showed it to, I like showed this recipe to my mom. I was like, oh my gosh, look how good this banana bread looks. And she was like, oh my God, is that Cherie? She knows her from work or something.
She's an on-air guest at QVC. She used to work in the prep kitchen. I think we're good.
Nice. Yeah, that's perfect. I mean, honestly, just watch the video for the recipes, but it's good because if you have bananas that are going bad or whatever, and it's basically everything you'd have in your pantry and then bananas, right?
Pretty much, because everybody has.
And we're gonna
add
chocolate chips.
Oh, and there's our Corona gloves that Daddy bought us.
I have a pair upstairs ready.
We have like our vitamins and our hand sanitizer.
I take these every day, and I try to take these every day too. This is my mom's office. Not actually, she has a full office upstairs, but she decided recently to convert to only doing work here.
In the main area.
In the main area of the house, so that I come down, I'm like trying to watch the news.
Actually, I did go into my new office, which I do like.
Which is
I'm gonna go in there tomorrow, later. I do prefer it in there.
Baby. Oh, I want to bleach dye that sweatsuit today. I watched a tutorial. It's super easy.
It's supposed to rain.
Okay. And I made just an iced coffee. Almond milk looks so weird in iced coffees. Like, it looks... I'm gonna play Animal Crossing. Alright, I can try and link this TikTok, but her username is just what we told you guys. I really need to take off my nails today, but I'm gonna tie-dye that next.
Okay, so look, we're not gonna do it exactly the way she does, but we're gonna be close, right? We're gonna go like this. We're gonna go like this.
Is that the best way to do it?
Yeah, I guess, because basically you don't want to, there are certain ingredients that you want to do packed, like sugar. Flour, you'd never want to pack, because I think it makes your recipe like heavy and dense. It doesn't make it light. Go like that. Okay, so we're gonna put that off to the side.
Sure.
Good. Next.
This is a true cooking with Adina.
Yeah, I think I'm just gonna use our kosher salt that's already in here.
What's the difference between salts?
Oh God, I'm no
okay.
salt expert, but I do know that kosher salt is technically like stronger. If you will.
Okay. 3/4 cup of unsalted butter softened.
Okay, so we're gonna take this, and if you noticed what she did was, but she cubed it rather than just like put a whole stick in the,
Yeah.
right? Mm-hmm. This is really softened. She said room temperature. This is like super room temperature.
Look at all that butter. Stay sanitary, kids. 3 cups of banana. Cookie in the freaking background.
Oh my gosh, you might be right, Brooke. We might need another banana. Wow. So how many was that? She's right.
You need like 5. Yeah, because you started with 3. And it said 3 to 6 or something, yeah. Luckily we have a bunch.
Spurtle, by the way. Shout out to Lucinda. Best item ever.
Okay.
We're gonna take it with the butter, right?
Sure.
And then we're gonna mix it, right? Is that what it said? Cream
Yeah.
it? I think she said cream 2 minutes, right?
I think so.
All right, let's go.
Getting the eggs. My dad got these just eggs. He wants to try going more plant-based, so let us know if you guys have ever tried those. We're just gonna eat regular eggs. Vanilla. Is that a good vanilla? I've never seen that.
I like
one.
it. Yeah, it's pure, as long as, don't use artificial vanilla. It's expensive though. People don't buy it because it's expensive.
This is an intensive recipe.
Yeah.
Butter tastes so good.
I wonder if we should do it without the chocolate chips and just make it as is.
Okay.
What do you think?
I'm down.
I like that she tells you, like, don't put all the flour in because then it makes like a big mess.
Yeah.
It's nice to know that you can do this with a hand mixer for people that don't have
The
a
KitchenAid
mixer. I mean, we're like pretty okay in the kitchen and we don't even have it. So a lot of people don't have it. There's nothing wrong with that.
Bowls. And we're gonna spray the pan with coconut oil spray because my mom said, why? Why do you spray with coconut oil spray?
Oh, well, we don't have like a canola one, but you don't want to use olive oil because you'll taste the olive oil.
Nice. Money shot.
Looks nice.
Yeah.
Let's do the first one as is.
And then we could always remake it.
Yeah, like if this is good.
We have more
We
bananas.
always have bananas going bad.
Now that the banana bread's in the oven, we're moving on to our next activity. This is an activity-filled vlog. We are tie-dyeing, bleach dyeing. I'm in my laundry room. I don't know if I've ever shown you guys this. It's right off the kitchen. And then we have this big sink. So I was gonna take this outside to do it, but I determined that we have this big sink, so I'm just gonna go ahead and use that. You guys saw that I ordered the Hanes 2-piece. I can go ahead and link it on my Amazon shop or down below. I'll probably just put it on my Amazon shop. Sorry, I'm talking over the dryer, but it's fine. And I put on weird clothes. Do you guys see this outfit right now? I put on these clothes because I'm gonna bleach. So anyways, all the tutorials that I watched said you just want to use this stuff, get it really, put it in like warm water, whatever, get it wet, wring it out, tie, like rubber band it up. So I have some rubber bands here and you could like make a fun pattern or something, but they said like random is fine using the bleach, and then I'll just go in and like drip it over and then I wash it like normal. So let's do it. What I just did is I went in with rubber bands and I really just randomly did sections. That's what all the videos said. Like you can do a pattern, I guess, if you're like really advanced, but. And then the pants I did basically this. My mom helped me out and put bleach in a measuring cup so that you have more control, because if it's just out of the bottle, that I feel like it's just gonna be a disaster. Everyone I know uses like the little squeeze bottles that I guess you can get off Amazon or whatever, but I'm doing this on a budget, so I've never been a tie-dye pro, so this is gonna be really interesting. And I guess we're just gonna. Now we do the pants. It smells like Safety Swim. That's where I used to take swimming lessons. Flip her over. I don't know what side is even the front and the back.
How long is it supposed to sit?
10.
10 minutes?
Yeah.
That's it?
Yeah, and then you put in the wash. That was so easy. You could buy basically one of these matching sets for like over $100, or you can make it yourself for $18. So what would you rather pay, Mom, $100 or $18?
Well, it depends on how it comes out.
So we're filling up the washing machine with cold water now, right?
And detergent.
And then I'm taking off the rubber bands and we're gonna wash it like normal, dry it like normal. That's what everything said, but just this, nothing else, obviously. Okay, so I'm gonna take off the rubber bands and then move it.
I found Cookie walking around with my scrunchie in her mouth today.
Oh God.
And I'm like, I was looking for that. Oh.
That looks sick. I'm so excited. Uno, dos.
Good, good?
Yep.
Shut it.
Shut it. And now,
There we go. It's already on.
oh, nice job.
We'll be back.
Yeah. Nana bread is ready.
Well, maybe it's gonna be a little tender in the center.
You
But it's
think?
very brown. Yeah. See?
I like it like raw.
Yeah. Well, we're going for it anyway.
Okay. And then in here, whoa, oh my gosh. Oh, it looks so good.
It looks great.
Oh my God. I'm shook. I can't do anything DIY, you guys. So if I can do this.
I like it, Brooke.
Wow, this sweet shirt is sick.
I say let it air dry a little
Okay, okay. Thanks, Mom.
bit. No problem.
And the result, I think it looks really good. Let me set you guys down and show you. So I messed up the bottoms a little bit, sorry. I rent the runway and then I have like a trash bag, so I'm like cleaning out my room. It's fine, it's reality. This is the sweatshirt. I think the sweatshirt looks great. Like I definitely could see myself wearing this out with like leggings and stuff like that. I think it's the sweatpants that they still look fine, but like the set in general is definitely more like a stay-at-home set. Honestly, it cost me $18 and you guys saw how easy it was to make, so I'm okay with that. I ordered some more stuff. I actually ordered like the white version of this basically, as well as another set of black, because I think I'm gonna make one for my mom, and then I want to do some white ones with like pink tie-dye and stuff. I'm just feeling super tie-dye. But yeah, I got a large bottom, XL top if you guys are wondering, and I have this on my Amazon shop under the like DIY tab, and like I said, super cheap. So that was a fun activity. I think the thing with mail right now is that you're just supposed to make sure that you don't bring it like super in your house, and just be like really nice to the delivery drivers, obviously, and thank them for their time. I've been seeing such nice stuff on TikTok and everything of people like leaving out tips or even just like snacks and things for their delivery drivers, which is super nice. I'm gonna put on some lotion. My hands get so dry with washing them so much, but I've been really liking this lotion from Pharmacy. I have you guys right in the sunlight here. I went for a drive before with my brother. We just went to like a beach in our town just to get out for a little bit. It was definitely really nice. He hasn't been in my vlogs or anything just because he really sits in his room and plays video games, but isn't that like every boy that's like, I don't even know, 10 to 25 right now? You guys, I'm crawling into bed. It's been a long day. I just FaceTimed some friends, but look at these under eye circles. I just took 2 melatonin. Hopefully I'll sleep better tonight. I couldn't really sleep well last night, but I think it's just because I don't even know, not doing too hot. But I love you guys so much. I hope you enjoyed this vlog filled with more activities and doing things, and hope you guys enjoy that because I like doing different things. The tie-dye, the cooking, the organizing. We're gonna do some more organizing in here. I know I didn't really show too much, so if you want to see a proper clean out, I can do that. Just let me know. Love you guys and stay safe out there. Social distance, don't go out. Thank you to someone who's doing something good for us, and love you guys. Bye.